Hey everybody, today in this video, we'll be making steak bites in the air fryer. Let's get started. We're gonna cut them into chunks. Around 1 inch thickness. And we have here top sirloin steak. Okay, we have our steak bites ready and now we're going to season them. It's pretty easy, we just add some garlic salt. And we're going to add some black pepper. And that's it. We're just gonna spray some olive oil on it. Okay, we're done. And we're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, we're gonna put in the steak. Okay, we have them nicely spread out. We're gonna put it in for 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Okay, the steaks are ready. It's been 12 minutes. Ooh, hot. Looking great. Smells really good. Okay, this is what we have today. Steak bites made in the air fryer. Give it a try, it's really easy to make. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. Here, have a bite.